Hello friends, today I want to talk about how to find your life purpose, okay? So it's not a easy topic, but I think that I can give you a great tip on how to find your life purpose. How to find something that you really enjoy, right, doing. And I was searching that practically all of my life, and I didn't found it yet 100%, but I know a lot much better than I knew before. So purpose, right? uh, the purpose is number one thing for every man, because man without a purpose is just not a happy man, right? And how to find that? It's not easy. It's pretty difficult. So, if you will do this like, okay, I want to have step-by-step formula, then you will not find your purpose. The best way is to do a lot of personal growth, spiritual growth, do a lot of practices that you will know every day a little bit more who you are, what you love doing, what you don't love doing, you know? So for me, it was very hard because I was successful in my early age, but I didn't enjoy the job, right? I didn't. And, I was just enjoying at nothing. I had no hobbies, no hobbies. And, that's why I did everything just because of I wanted some kind of result. I wanted the money, right? But I didn't enjoy my work. But I tried a lot of things, right? So when someone said, "Okay, you just didn't found yet this, your hobby or something that you really love doing," I said, "Okay, no. Maybe for you, you can find this, but I cannot, because I don't love doing anything actually. Okay, everything I do just for the sake of the money or some kind of success, but I don't enjoy the process." Okay, so I want to say that, for example, meditation helped me a lot, that I enjoyed the process, even if the job was not, or the project was not, good for me, but I enjoyed the process. So you do meditation if you want to enjoy the process, but that's not all, right? You want to find your real life purpose, and you must ask yourself a very important question: what do you like doing, even if no one is watching or paying you? Okay, write down this question and just think about it. And for me, it was like, I like writing, I like to give advice to some people, some friends, right? I like to make videos. Okay, couple of things, right? I like to teach. I like to express myself in that way. And yeah, but in the past I didn't earn nothing with that. So I said, okay, fuck hobbies if you cannot earn from that, right? So I did just the things that was profitable, but never did things that were enjoyable. So, but then I decided, fuck that, I don't want this life anymore. I want to do 80% of the things that I enjoy doing. So, writing, okay. You must have a big name or you must have a large audience. But I don't have that, right? And I'm not willing to do this kind of things, right? So I'm not enjoying so much. Maybe 10% is writing, but 90% is again marketing and everything else. So if you cannot do some profit from your hobbies, then you cannot do that full time, right? And you didn't reach your destination. And your destination is that you live by your purpose. Yeah. So I decided that I will do 80% just the things that I really enjoy doing. And I decided not a long time ago that I'll become a coach, because I was coaching people, you know, in our company or somewhere else, but that was just a small percentage of my work. But now I want that this is 80% of my work, just coaching, right? Life coach, for example, and business coach also, because I have a lot of experiences, I have a lot of results from my past projects. So, you know, where I built projects from zero, right? So, yeah, you know what I mean? But that I discovered that, this is my story, right? But that I discovered that, it was hours, years, and even decades. Every day I was thinking like, okay, what I like doing, okay, this, that, and so on and so on. But then again, when I found out, that was 2 years ago, that I would like to be a coach, I just couldn't make a profit from this, or make a, you know, I didn't have a motivation for doing some kind of project from that, because I was like, okay, who would pay me for speaking something or whatever, right? So think about it. I'm 100% that if you think about it, you will discover today what is your purpose. But will you live your purpose, right? That's the most important question. Do you think that something that is valuable to you, even if it's just stupid writing or stupid talking or something like that, that this will actually make some kind of success in outer life? Because if it will not, then you're just fooling yourself, right? Because you want the results. You want that someone said, okay, this, what you're doing is valuable to someone. Or else you cannot make it a hobby, or, you know, even a hobby. But you must make it a living, right? Your hobbies must become profitable. So I think that you must do 80% of your time to find out how can your hobby become profitable. You know, for example, do you like writing? Okay, write an articles. Okay, write an articles. And yeah, but then again, you must find someone who will pay you. And then again, you ask yourself, who could pay me for write an article? Okay, you have some kind of normal, standard ways, you know, Google advertising and so on and so on. But then, if you do every day a couple of ideas, how can I make this hobby profitable? In couple of weeks or months, you will discover a way which is suitable to you, right? Because always it's gonna be some kind of, you know, not just a hobby like writing or something like that, but also a little bit of marketing, a little bit of sales, and you know, paperwork and so on and so on. But do it the way you would like it, okay? 80% you must like it, and 20%, fuck it, you do it anyway, right? But 80% that you like it, or at least 50% that you like it a lot. And, you know, maybe your niche is very small and you cannot earn a lot of money from that in your hometown. But today, the whole world is connected. You can do in different state, in different country. You can do with a partner. You can do, you know, just think about it. Make a brainstorming every day. How can you make your hobby profitable? And that's how you will become very happy man, very happy person. And that's how you will live your purpose. And when you live your purpose, you enjoy working, you enjoy living. You have people around you who support you, who are in your project, your hobby, right? So, you know, you're in a job, how much time? 8, 9 hours, 10 hours per day. This is half of your day or more. So more than half of your life will be enjoyable. Just think about it. It's not just a hobby, it's not just a project. It's like when your hobby becomes your income and your life, actually, your everyday life, then you live amazing life. And you don't look just how much you earn or which kind of car do you have. No, no, no. Everything goes very natural. And you want that, right? You want natural life. And what is natural for you? Every person has something. For me, it was like very small thing. Oh, I like to write something. Okay, nothing. Like, I don't want to publish a book and, you know, go the standard way, because I wanted to do it by myself and inside, and I didn't like the people so much, you know, so I cannot go and teach people on seminars, for example, right? So you must, it's not like just a big idea, but then you must chop this idea and find the way how this idea can be enjoyable for you and profitable for you, right? Do not look just the great idea, I like writing or dancing. No, no, no. Then you find also your style. How will you deliver this hobby, right? That's very important. So yeah, I think discovering the life purpose is the most important thing in the world. Today is a beautiful day, you know. It's not sun. We're not in London, but we don't have the sun even here. So yeah, I hope that you like that, and I really wish you that you find your life purpose, because then you will become really, really happy. So if this helped, thumbs up and subscribe, and we will talk more later.